How the heck can you decode an ancient text if you don't know the writing system or even what the language is? There's actually some quirks about languages and writing that you can take advantage of. First, it's actually pretty easy to get a general idea of what type of writing system it is. This can be done by just counting the number of unique characters. If you count the characters and there's a ton of them, it might be something like a logographic writing system like Chinese, where there's a character for every word. But if there's only like 26, then it's probably something more like an alphabet, like ours. You can often guess the writing direction by seeing where there's more variation in line sizes, whether vertically or horizontally. And then you can look at what side the text is justified to figure out if it's right to left or left to right. Okay, great. Well, how does this help? Well, sometimes it's best to just look at which character or string of characters is really common. For instance, pronouns, articles, and conjunctions are really common in language, so they're really common in text too. With an alphabet, you can do the same thing with sounds. So if there's a really common letter that often appears in the middle of words, there's a good chance it's a vowel like a or e. And then putting this together with clues about where the text was found or what it might have been used for or some images associated with the text helps you start piecing things together. There have been many awesome decipherments throughout history, and these help us learn about the past and history of languages and peoples. The decipherment of the Maya script is a really cool example of this. There were 2,000-year-old inscriptions just waiting to be deciphered, and it wasn't until the last century that we finally uncovered this part of the past.